Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Microsoft Advertising to scale e-commerce traffic, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Microsoft Advertising, which is ads.microsoft.com. Press the Enter key to access the Microsoft Advertising homepage. Once the page loads, look for the blue Sign In button located in the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your Microsoft account credentials. Input your email address associated with your Microsoft Advertising account. After entering your email, click on the Next button. Next, you will need to enter your password. Type in your password carefully and click on the Sign In button again. If prompted with a security verification step, complete it as instructed. This may include entering a code sent to your email or phone number. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Microsoft Advertising dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard. Locate the Campaigns tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Campaigns tab to view your current advertising campaigns. To create a new campaign, click the blue Create Campaign button. Follow the prompts to choose your campaign goal, such as website traffic or conversions. Set a budget and select your target audience for this campaign. Once you have configured your settings, review all details carefully. When ready, click on the Save or Launch Campaign button to activate your new advertisement. Monitor the performance of your campaigns regularly through the dashboard analytics. Adjust your strategies as necessary to scale your e-commerce traffic effectively. Utilize the insights provided by Microsoft Advertising to optimize your ads. By following these steps, you will maximize your advertising efforts and drive more traffic to your e-commerce site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.